Hey Jesse, thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to get a sense from you about this upcoming session. What are folks going to expect when they come into the session?
Hey Scott, thanks for putting it on with us. We're really looking forward to it as well. The session that we're going to put together is designed for nonprofit organizations who want to learn more about what I would call cyber resilience. So this is not a technical session. This is meant to help educate and equip leadership and management to understand the broader spectrum of cyber risk, cybersecurity frameworks, different tools and tactics and things they can do to improve their cybersecurity. And then what I hope is the fun part at the end that we've done with a bunch of organizations is we're going to take you all through a simulated cyber attack so that you and your team can talk to each other about how would you respond? What mechanisms do you have in place? Where are there gaps? What types of improvements do you need to go back and think about implementing to ultimately better equip your organization to grow with technology in the future and to reduce risk?
That sounds fantastic. Can you talk a little bit about who should be in the room from the organization?
Yeah, so again, thanks for asking. The most important thing is that the people who are coming are, ready and eager to learn. Ideally, we would have members of your executive and leadership team. You may have somebody from your board that wants to come and participate, and you may have key people that are in team lead or supervisory positions within your frontline service aspect of your organization. And I mean, really when it comes down to it, the more people you have from the different areas of your organization, the more perspective you're going to get and the more prepared you and your team will be to go back and implement the learnings that you take from the session.
That sounds fantastic. I'm really looking forward to this session, Jesse. Thanks for coming in and doing this with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, the session is $45 for ECVO members. We're at the ECVO training room on April 10th. That's a Friday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And we look forward to having you there. To check out the session, visit ecvo.ca and click through to what we do and events, and you'll be able to find your registration information there.